4 easy investments for employees or beginners. To clarify, ang ibig sabihin ng easy is ilagay mo lang yung pera mo sa isang investment platform na hindi mo na kailangan mag-research, mag-analyze. Number 1 is Pag-ibig MP2. It is giving you 7% na dividend yield per annum and it is being offered by Pag-ibig mismo. May dalawang approach para kumuha ng Pag-ibig MP2. You can either go to the office and inquire about it or you can go to pagibigfund.gov.ph to open an account there. Pangalawang investments ay digital banks. So to name a few, meron tayong CIMB, nagbibigay sila ng 2.6% interest per annum. Maya, 3.5% per annum. Uno Bank, 3.5% per annum. C-Bank is 4% for the first 400,000 pesos. Any excess funds will be 3% interest per annum. GoTime is 5% and Own Bank recently changed it to 5% as well. Just in case you want to try C-Bank, all you have to do is download the app on your phone and sign up from there. Make sure lang na gamitin mo ang referral code na THEPRESENT para may matanggap ka na 50 pesos after you deposit and hold at least 1,000 pesos for 3 days. Now sa Own Bank naman, you can use the referral code HFFVHF para may matanggap ka na 50 pesos after you deposit 50 pesos. And make sure lang na ilagay mo ang pera mo dito sa Own It para kikita ka ng interest. Number 3 is time deposits. Ang nag-o-offer nito ay ang mga banks. It may be conventional banks or digital banks. To give you an idea, naka-lock in yung pera mo sa bangko, hindi mo siya pwede ma-withdraw anytime, pero kikita ito ng interest plus principal. Number 4 is cooperatives. Meron kasi ibang tao na ang mindset nila sa cooperatives ay utang. Pwede ka kasi mag-join ng cooperatives for the intention of investing. So yung dividend or interest na binibigay ng mga cooperatives, sometimes it ranges from 6%, 8%. There are even some cooperatives na 10% or even more. What they do kasi is usually they lend it to their cooperative members and then ikaw as an investor, you also get a portion or earnings of that as well. Based on the things that I just mentioned, ano ba ang gusto mong itry? Share your answers sa comment section.